Okay guys, I'm gonna play this little quantum game. Let's get started. See the marker here? That's where you want me to go. So I'm gonna put this qubit in superposition. Okay, so I put it in superposition. Okay, now they want me to go here on the block sphere. So I'm gonna put it in superposition. And then I'm gonna use the T gate to go 1/8 around the equator of this sphere or qubit. And then it should give me a green check mark. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go to put this qubit in a superposition. And then I gotta go here. So I'm gonna go do an inverse T gate. So I can go clockwise. It should give me a green check mark. Okay, so I'm gonna do a header mark. Then we're gonna do an S gate. Then we're gonna do a T gate to get to that point, that little area where they want me to go. Okay, so now let's play another game. Let's play it again. Put it in superposition. Same thing, superposition. Then we're gonna do the inverse S gate to do a quarter turn clockwise around the qubit. I had a mark. Then we're gonna do a T gate. Let's do a header mark gate. And then we're gonna do an S gate, an inverse S gate, the capital S with the dagger. And then we're gonna do an inverse T gate. That should give me a green check mark. Remember, when you do the inverse gates, they go clockwise around the equator of the qubit. When you do the regular S and T gates, they go counterclockwise around the equator of the qubit. All right, so remember that. Okay, so in this position, I can either go do inverse gates, or I could do regular gates. I'm gonna do inverse gates. Let's try inverse gates with this one. Or I could use the Z gate, but I'll just do the inverse gates. And let's do another inverse. And that should give me a green check mark. All right, let's play again. Now this time I'm just gonna do the Z gate since it's in the same position. We're just gonna do a Z gate. No, my bad. We're gonna do Hadamard gate first, then the Z gate. Then we're gonna do the Z gate. That should take me all the way around to here. We're gonna do Hadamard. And we're gonna use a S gate to get here, a quarter turn counterclockwise. And we're gonna do oh yeah, they switched it up. They got it up here now. Okay, so this is a harder one. This one is gonna be harder. Then we're gonna use a T gate. And then to get up here, where it's way up here, this is a harder one to do. We're gonna use the Hadamard. And that should take me to here. I should get a green check mark, yeah. Okay, you got one down here, so we're just gonna use the X gate. Or we could have used the Y gate to get down there. We're gonna use the header mark. And then we're gonna use the S gate. So you get a green check mark. So you're gonna use the header mark. And then we're gonna use the T gate. The header mark. We're gonna use the inverse S gate. Let's play it again. We're gonna use the inverse S. Okay. Okay, this one is a little bit harder. So what we're gonna do is use the header mark. We're gonna use the inverse T. And then we're gonna use the header mark. Kind of the reverse of what it was the last time. It was way up here, but on the other side. See, you got a green check mark. All right. This time we're gonna use the Y gate around the Y axis to the one state. And I'm gonna end the video at the 8-minute mark. Okay. The 8-minute mark. I'm gonna end this video. Just a little game to show you how to do the gates on a qubit. It's like a little challenge, a little test, a little fun little game. All right, so I'm gonna end the video here.